welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Savvy, and today we are going to be reviewing the Morphe X James Charles palette. First of all, guys, we seriously need to take a moment of silence for the packaging of this palette alone. This is one of the most beautifully packaged eyeshadow palettes that I've ever seen before. It is absolutely gorgeous, and for the price of $39 with 39 shades in it, you absolutely cannot beat it in terms of looks. But now the real question is, how good are the actual eyeshadows? Are they really as pigmented as James Charles claims them to be? We're gonna find out. So in this video, we are gonna be doing swatches of every single color. We're also gonna play around a little bit with the makeup and the colors, and we are gonna create this eye look right here. And then after that, I guess I can kind of just like talk to you guys and tell you how I feel about the palette, what I think of it, and maybe it'll help you make a decision on whether this is the palette for you or not. Okay, I don't want to bore you guys to death, so let's just get into the swatching. Alright, so now that we've done the swatching, I have a couple of opinions that I'd like to share with you. A lot of the shimmery shades were so easy to glide across my skin, and it had just this amazing pigment. It was kind of creamy, which I loved. I really, really love all of the shimmery shades in this palette. They are beautiful. However, there are a few powdery shades that I find a little bit more difficult to apply. Not saying that there's any less quality in those different shades, but it seems like you kind of have to apply certain eyeshadows in this palette with a little more like finesse, you know? It definitely just requires more blending than the creamier ones, I would say. Alright, so I think I'm done talking. Let's go and play around with some makeup. I'm ready for this, okay? You ready? Let's go. Let's do this.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is start off by priming your eye. Then you're going to take Love That and start spreading that around your crease and then to your outer corner of your eyes. Then you can blend that upward. Then you're going to want to take the color Code James and start applying that right above your crease. Also darken the outer corner of your eyes and the inner corners. Then take Halloween and apply that all over your eyelids. Then take Skip and apply some under your lash line. Then you can go ahead and take the color Benny and start to create this line over your crease. We're kind of doing like a cut crease, but we're just going to blend it out like really well because we don't want any harsh lines. So then you're just going to take Ring Light and apply that underneath your brow bone, and that should be it for this look.
Alright, so we have done our swatches, we have done this makeup look already, so I think the last thing to do is to just talk about whether I feel like this palette was worth the $39 and if basically I would buy it again. I'll start talking about the things that I like first, and then I'll get to the things that I don't like. One of the things that I love about this palette is that the colors are so pigmented. If you're looking for a universal type of palette where the colors can just be built up and just bright, this is one of the palettes that I would just highly recommend to you because it is so pigmented. The second thing that I really love about this palette are the cream eyeshadows. They're so creamy and they feel so smooth on the skin, and they look so great on your eyelids. It is so easy to apply, and that's one of the things that I love about it. So definitely, like, one of the selling points for me are the cream eyeshadows on this. And it's funny because I'm more of a matte girl myself. However, these shimmery eyeshadows are just, in my opinion, they're top notch. I love these so much. The third thing I love about this palette is that it is affordable. You're literally paying $1 for each of these colors in this palette. It's $39 with 39 gorgeous shades, so it's very inexpensive, and I honestly don't feel like I could have done better with another palette if I'm looking for something that's very universal with bright colors. This is pretty awesome. So I feel like the level of difficulty kind of ranges with use of each eyeshadow in this palette. And honestly, that's not even that bad of a negative. You can always practice and learn how to use those shades that are harder to blend. Once you kind of like learn and get your stepping in that, this might be the perfect palette. I really love it, and I honestly, I don't have anything else to say. I don't have anything negative. And this is my honest review, guys. Like, I bought this with my own money. I'm not being sponsored. I'm not being paid. Like, guys, I have like 1.4K subscribers. Like, I'm not getting paid to do this. I really like it, and I'm glad that I bought it. And if I had the choice to buy it again or to just leave it in the store, I would 100% buy it again, because this palette is... Good job, James. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, thank you so much. I love you guys. I hope you have a great week. Goodbye.